If you're using the IMVU Studio Toolkit to make furniture that's going to be used or assembled in Classic, and you are finding that your handle nodes are appearing in the wrong location, instead of up here, they appear down here, which is where the seat node is. A simple, quick fix for that is in Blender. So this is the default structure of our skeleton, the furniture item skeleton, based on the way that the toolkit assembles everything. This, for Classic, is what's causing the problem. So the fix is to select everything. We can do that in the outliner or just in the 3D scene. Let's just hide the mannequins for now. So select all, A key, and then we want object, parent, clear and keep transform. So we use that because we want to keep the position of each of our nodes relative to where they are located. So we use that one. That will flatten the entire structure of our furniture skeleton. And then what we need to do is make sure that root is highlighted. So we need to reselect everything. So A again. And then control click root to make sure that is the active object. And then again from the object menu, this time we want parent, object, and in the make parent pop-up we want to make sure keep transform is enabled. Alternatively, let's just undo all of that. Alternatively, what we can do, highlight root, make sure that's the active object, then control P, object, keep transform. So set parent to. That does the same thing. It reorganizes the hierarchy, the relationships between the nodes. So now if we export this, import it into Classic and assemble, we should find the handle is in the correct position. So just a quick note, we don't need to do anything else to any of the nodes. We just need to make sure that they are all named relative to what the node is, and that the numbering that's used for the labels is correct relative to the number of seat nodes or the number of nodes that are being used.